If you're thinking about buying ChannelGrabber for your dropshipping business, there are a few key things you need to know before making the decision. While it's a solid option, you'll want to make sure it's the right fit for your business model, especially when compared to competitors. First, ChannelGrabber promises multi-channel integration, allowing you to manage sales from multiple platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, all in one place. This can be a huge time saver, but it's worth noting that competitors like Oberlo and Spocket offer similar features. So, it's important to evaluate how well ChannelGrabber integrates with the specific platforms you use. Next, the software's inventory management system is designed to simplify stock tracking. While this is great for automating updates across channels, some users have mentioned occasional syncing issues that can lead to overselling. If you rely on perfect stock management, you might want to consider platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which have a more seamless experience. The third thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. ChannelGrabber offers several pricing tiers, which can add up depending on the features you need. Compare this to other solutions like Shopify, which offer plans with more features included at a similar price point. If you're running a small operation, a competitor with a simpler fee structure might work better. The fourth thing to know is that ChannelGrabber's customer support is generally reliable, but response times can vary. In comparison, competitors like Oberlo offer 24/7 support and more in-depth help resources, which can be crucial if you run into technical problems during peak business times. Another point to consider is the software's order management system. While ChannelGrabber does a good job organizing orders, its interface isn't as intuitive as some competitors. If you value user-friendly design, you may prefer alternatives like Shopify's built-in tools or other dropshipping platforms with cleaner interfaces. The sixth thing is that ChannelGrabber's automation features for order fulfillment are helpful, but not as advanced as some of its competitors. For example, Spocket offers faster processing times and a more automated system, which could save you a lot of time if you're managing high volumes of orders. The seventh thing is ChannelGrabber's reporting and analytics. While it provides basic sales reports, it lacks more detailed insights that some other dropshipping software, like Shopify, offers with more advanced add-ons. If deep insights into your sales and customer data are important to you, this might be a limitation. The eighth thing to know is that ChannelGrabber has a learning curve. Users have reported needing some time to get used to the platform's features, especially if they're used to more straightforward software. Competitors like Oberlo and Spocket tend to have a more user-friendly approach with tutorials and guides that can make onboarding easier. Now, let's talk about shipping. ChannelGrabber does offer shipping integration, but it's not as expansive as some competitors like Shopify, which integrates with multiple carriers and shipping tools. If global shipping is a major part of your dropshipping business, you may find other platforms to be more robust in this area. The 10th thing to mention is the software's mobile experience. While ChannelGrabber does have a mobile app, it's not as feature-rich as other options like Shopify or Oberlo, which provide full mobile experiences to manage your store on the go. Another important aspect to consider is the scalability of ChannelGrabber. If you plan to grow your business significantly, it's worth noting that while ChannelGrabber works well for small to medium-sized operations, its capabilities may not fully match those of larger, more established platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which offer more comprehensive scalability options. The 12th and final thing to know before buying ChannelGrabber is its integration with third-party apps. While it does have a selection of apps available, its ecosystem is more limited compared to competitors like Shopify, which has a massive library of third-party apps to enhance your store. In conclusion, ChannelGrabber is a good option for dropshippers, especially if you're looking for a solution to handle multiple channels and basic order management. However, if you want a more robust option with better scalability, user experience, and customer support, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.